Hey everybody, once again, John Haynes from the Al and Ed's Autosound corporate offices, and like always, we've got something brand new. And what I have in front of me here is Pioneer's AVH-2440NEX, 2440NEX. Brand new audio video receiver. NEX stands for Network Entertainment Experience, and that's what you get with a 2440NEX. So it's a really nice piece. We're going to go ahead and crack the box open for the first time, see what's inside, and then we'll go over the product. Be right back with you. Okay, so we got everything unboxed, and let's take a look and see what the goodies are. First thing, you're never going to believe it, right? Owner's manual, warranty card. Please do take some time to do some reading of your owner's manual, and for sure send in your warranty card information. All right, that's really important. So that comes in the box first. There's a little bit of parts information. These are the mounting screws if you're doing an ISO type mount. ISO mount meaning that the kit is actually bolted from the side of the installation bracket, kind of the way the factory radio goes in. And then we have, this is a USB cable. Now this unit has a USB input which is on the back of the radio. And that's actually really nice because instead of having it on the front where USB cable is going to be hanging down in the way all the time, this is routed to the back of the unit. And then this can either come out from under the dashboard, be routed into your glove box or console, or you can even ask your Al and Ed's representative about a dash mounted USB input. That can also be an aux input, right? So that looks real finished in the car, and you can do that. On many vehicles that come with factory USB, there's an adapter that you can purchase from Al and Ed's that will retain the factory USB location and convert it for the Pioneer aftermarket head unit. So here's your USB cable here. This is your Bluetooth microphone. This piece does have Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth audio streaming. So this is the microphone here, your power harness and speaker harness here, and then it does come with a remote control, wireless remote. This unit also is wired for a steering wheel remote control. So if your car already has steering wheel remote controls, Al and Ed's Autosound will be able to provide an adapter for you that will let your steering wheel controls operate this unit as well. So these are the things that are inside the box as far as small parts. Let's take a look at the unit. So the 2440NEX is a 7-inch diagonal WVGA capacitive touchscreen. Nice looking unit. It does have some hard control button surfaces across the front for the commonly used items like a source control or volume. Most everything else will be handled by the menus that come up on the system. So this has Pioneer software, right? AM/FM tuner. It also has HD radio built in. So if you listen to AM radio, when HD kicks in, it really makes the sound quality a lot better. And you have less dropouts, no buzzing or interference. But this piece, in addition to the AM/FM, HD is Sirius XM radio. Again, the tuners are free. You buy the tuner for $69.99 and activate the tuner, and SiriusXM will send you a $70 prepaid Visa card so you can spend that anywhere and basically pay for your tuner. So that's nice. Another commonly added feature on these AV units is a reverse camera so you can see what's behind the car when you back up. But the next product here, this unit, has a dual camera input, so you can add a front camera as well as a rear camera, or even a blind spot camera, which you can now have mounted under the driver's left mirror. So when you put your blinker on, it'll go ahead and activate what the camera sees. So dual camera input, front and rear, and a nice looking piece. I mean, in a dashboard, it looks like very factory, nice big bright screen. Now this is not a navigation unit. It's basically audio, video, DVD, and what's important though too is it's made for iPhone, made for Android phone. They will plug right in through the USB. And now this unit can be switched over, depending on which phone you have, to Apple CarPlay mode or to Android Auto mode. So you can use either the Pioneer menu, which we just talked about a little bit, or switch to complete CarPlay, or switch it to Android Auto. And when you're using either one of those, you're going to get mapping through the phone. You're also going to get text messages, voice to text and text to speech, and you're going to be able to handle some music playback as well as hands-free calling. So depending on how you choose to run this thing, it can be run many ways, whichever way is best for you. As far as sound quality, this has both or all three pre-outs that we look for all the time, which is a front RCA pair, a rear RCA pair, and a subwoofer output. And these are high volt. So normally the voltage output from an aftermarket radio is going to be 1.8 to 2.5 volts, something like that. These are 4 volt pre-outs. The higher the pre-out voltage, if you're running aftermarket amplifiers, the lower your gains have to be adjusted on the amplifier to get the same amount of volume out of the amps. The lower the gain setting, the less likelihood there is for noise in your system. So a higher volt pre-out from the radio is always a good thing. And this is a front rear sub pre-out, all at 4 volts. So that's really nice. So once again, you've got touchscreen. This is DVD, JPEG playback if you want to do a slideshow. And this is a motorized face. So when you want to put in a DVD, face will fold down and allow you to access the slot to insert the DVD. So Sirius XM, HD radio, DVD, CD, CarPlay, Android Audio, really full featured piece. Front, rear camera input, rear USB, which is always preferred, and of course this will fit in any doubled in application, and it's a really nice piece. So retail price on the AVH-2440NEX is $449. This piece is brand new, just came in. It's available through all Alned's Autosound locations, and you can find out more information on it at al-eds.com. And once again, we always thank you for watching our videos. Pioneer AVH-2440NEX. Thanks for watching.